Yes, hi together. Welcome to my next video for or about the Asus Transformer TX300. A lot of the people in the forum and on YouTube are asking how it looks with the noise of the fans in the Asus Transformer book. And yeah, I had a small idea to the topic and I want to demonstrate that to you today in hope that you also enjoy it like I did it during having the idea and making it. What I prepared here is a Unread mobile phone with a special software on it, which is a noise measuring tool. And I think you can already see the pin moving around during my speak. What it is doing is I connected a headset with it, and yeah, I have my microphone here in the headset, of course. And yeah, here the software is measuring. You see when I hit it, it goes up very loud. And I think the main problem to get a feeling how noisy a fan really is in such a video is that you need something like an ISO or norm sound, which everyone knows around the world. And my default sound, the idea was that I can use some of this fire sticks here, and I will burn one, and you see how the measuring tool will hit out of it, and afterwards we will turn on the Asus notebook and put a little stress on it. Yeah, that's the idea. So let's start with the norm sound, with the fire piece here I can turn on. And yeah, I don't want to say anything more during the movie so that you can see how the sound is working and that you're not disturbed through me. I will reset it now and then I'm quiet. Yeah, you see during firing these sticks, they went up to 95 decibel. You see the max line here. I hope you can see it afterwards in the video. And yeah, what I now will do is I will put the microphone of the headset next to the Asus Transformer air system where the air comes out, and then I will turn on the Asus Transformer TX300 and will bring a little bit stress on the machine so that it's working and that the fan is starting to work as well. First I will mount the headset or the microphone. So now you can see it, this is a microphone and it's next to the airflow holes where the air comes out, and let's see what's going on, what's happening when I turn on the Asus. Yes, I hope that demonstrates something about the noise, so that you get a feeling what it means when we talk about noise of the fan. Of course, there is a fan system in, and of course you hear it if it's very quiet, but I think even my clock ticking here in the background was much louder than the fans were. And yeah, maybe for the explanation what I did, I have a tool here, it's Intel burn test, which makes stress on the CPUs, bringing them up to both cores to 100% CPU work load, and that's the green lines here in the chart, and the red lines shows the temperature of the cores going up to something around 70 degrees or something like that. And as you saw during the test on the noise meter, this one was in the peak, I think, at 14 decibel, as I saw that correct. And maybe another idea to get a feeling is that you maybe just install the software on your Android device if you have one, and make some noise tests in your area, and you get a good feeling how loud the Asus Transformer TX300 is when it's working on power load. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.